Hey everyone! Welcome back to eMade Wellness Hub. Today we're diving into the incredible benefits of coriander and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine. Coriander, also known as cilantro, is more than just a garnish. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, potassium, and manganese. One of the standout benefits of coriander is its high antioxidant content. Antioxidants help fight free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in your body. Adding coriander to your meals can aid digestion. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food more efficiently. Studies have shown that coriander can help lower blood sugar levels, making it a great addition for those managing diabetes or looking to maintain healthy glucose levels. Coriander is known for its detoxifying properties. It can help remove heavy metals from the body, promoting overall detoxification and better health. With its high vitamin C content, coriander can boost your immune system, helping you stay healthy and ward off common illnesses. Now, how can you incorporate this amazing herb into your diet? Here are some easy and delicious ideas. 1. Add fresh coriander to your salads for a burst of flavor. 2. Blend it into smoothies for a nutritional boost. 3. Use it as a garnish for soups and stews. 4. Make a refreshing coriander-infused water. 5. Mix it into your favorite dips and salsas. So there you have it. Coriander is not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your health. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips from eMade Wellness Hub. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.